Hi guys, Kim here, Papa's Fixie Shop. Looks a little strange, doesn't it? So, this desert boy is in Huntsville, Alabama right now. I got family here. And since I'm not in my shop, I ain't got nothing to fix. But I found something to fix. So let me zoom in, show you what I got. This is you know what that is, an angle grinder, right? And one of my sons bought himself a brand new angle grinder. And the first time he used it, you see that? Is that all the way in? See, there you go. See there? In the sun. Yeah, you find out what happens with angle grinders when you don't pay attention to the cord. So I'm gonna change a cord on an angle grinder for my son. So that's gonna be this week's video from Huntsville, Alabama. My second favorite place on the planet. So stay tuned. So, how do you get the cord out of one of these grinders? It's like, oh man, it's all just one piece, isn't it? There ain't no screws. So if you're gonna do this, any grinder, you're gonna have to figure it out. But in this case, on this Dewalt corded grinder, I noticed there was a screw right here in the end. Right in there. Let's see what happens if we take that out. Break it. I don't have hardly any tools here too, that's crazy. I got my electrician tools because I've been doing fixing wiring here. Oh, there it goes, there's a screw. Look at there. Put it where I won't lose it. What's this? Oh, look at there. Oh, there it is. So what I see here is a Phillips screw holding this wire in there. Let me zoom it out of here. So there's like a strain relief right here so it won't pull the wires. Take the screw out of that. Looks like a metal tab. Look at there, yeah. Now, what have we got? It looks like the switch. Oh, let's see. Switch over here. But there's a plastic tab right here. Right here. See this little plastic tab? If I pull it back, see that? So what I'm gonna do is take a little screwdriver. I'm gonna try and find a spot where I can get a little purchase on this thing. What does this do? Ah. There's a lot of dust in here. It's not brand new. So you got to be delicate. Stuff like this, you got to just be very cautious. Let's see a place I can. Oh, I see. Oh, look at there. What's under here? Uh-huh. Yeah, I was able to lift this switch up enough to get a little purchase on this guy. See if I can't get it all the way out of there. Aha. And there, let's see. Oh, That same little clip has got a hold of my wire. There it is. There you go. So in this particular case, it's going to the outside pins. It only fits one way. And look at there. Let me zoom this in. It's fantastic. See this? Can you get a look at that? It's got eyelets and screws. So, just a couple of minutes, I got it apart. Now I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get myself a new cord, and I'll come back and I'll fix it up and I'll show you how it works. Stand by. Okay, here's the video. You can see the new wire coming in, the same strain relief, and I actually looked at this guy and realized that the white wire was a hair shorter, but it wasn't critical, so it fits in here where it won't interfere with the cover going on. And then this guy's down in there. One more screw and we're set. Nice. Yeah, it's so strange around here. Everything's green. And over there, like, there's a bridge over there. There's actually water flowing openly on the ground. That's so strange.